10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sold.
Hi guys, we are in the beautiful state of Vermont trying to catch all the fall vibes we can before it gets too cold. We are starting at Stowe Farmers Market today.
Would you like try this?
To try. I think I want to try this one, the cherry.
Sure. Cherry?
Malomo or
This particular batch
cherry
came out
Malomo.
more tart. Assuming it's because of the cherries that particular year. Goes good with cheese. Drinks like a rosé, but a little bit.
Oh yeah. I want to try this one.
pemmican.
Farming from scratch. Right out of
I'm gonna try the blueberry pie.
yeah, the one I poured for him was the foam sesh.
And then the original.
This is the traditional.
Can you try the blueberry pie?
Can I reuse your cup?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay, never mind.
I beat you to it.
Also want to try the original, so keep that one.
Keep this one, okay. The traditional.
The
Traditional,
traditional?
yeah.
Sure.
Has some grape in it.
It's not.
Look at those beautiful mushrooms.
Oh my gosh. Those are perfect mushrooms. They're so pretty.
What type of mushrooms are these? Oyster. Oh gosh. It tastes like real meaty. That's the ones that make the vegetarian wings out of that.
Oh yeah.
Let's go have June meet some other dogs.
These.
Let's have June meet other. Now you're a dog.
That's cool.
Come on, dogs.
Bananas and raspberries and roasted almonds.
Roasted sweet potatoes, Parmesan cheese, caramelized onions.
There's a chocolate and raspberry one.
Roasted almonds. Wow, that sounds good.
I was looking at the sweet ones. You're looking at the savory ones.
I did think.
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. We have fresh pasta today.
Ice cream too. Find that one place. Creamy. Maple creamies.
Speak for yourself. I'm gonna eat all the ice creams.
Whatever's easier for you.
I'll take one of these too.
They're all in the same bag you want.
Yeah, that's fine. It's croissant, right?
Or yeah.
Cheese croissant. Okay.
There's
Or
chocolate.
yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But if I was like just painting, I would like it. If I was just needle felt, yeah, it kind of very cool. Yeah, and then these little pumpkins I've just been. This is gonna spark a lot of. No, they could be cute.
Okay, don't mind my chewing, but here's our haul. There's a pretzel in there, a Parmesan breadstick, and a chocolate croissant. We got some focaccia, mushroom, and what?
Focaccia, mushroom, and onion. Mushroom, onion, and cheese.
Mushroom, onion, and cheese. We got some nuts
Some nuts.
and a little snack bowl for the van.
Handmade.
So now we're off to the next place, which is, I don't know.
Four feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. smell the pines when I let you in the doorway. Took the seat next to mine like you've been there before. I'm befriended and in lose ya. I could never stand to lose ya.
Look at the way those trees just grow right out of the rock. This is a Saturday. It's October, what, 11, 12? Oh, it's Sunday.
12, Sunday.
Sunday. And it is packed here. Stowe was packed. All the towns are packed. The roads are packed. This little scenic trail is packed. So it'll be interesting to see what the rest of the week looks like because we're here all week. Look at these trees. Smugglers Notch Distillery and Tasting. Oh my god. So many more Oh my gosh. That's great. Here's our sugar feast from Cold Hollow. There were no chairs available, so we just came to the van. So, what is this?
That's a slushie.
A slushy.
Apple cider slushie.
Apple cider slushy. Really good. This is the hot apple cider. It's also good.
But really hot.
What is this? The maple ice cream?
Yeah, it's maple creamy.
So good.
It's really good.
And I'm excited for these donuts.
Mm-hmm.
No?
A little crunchy.
Oh, beef.
Found me. They found us.
That was really good.
So I'm gonna do what I saw in another video.
Smart.
Ah, it'll fall apart.
So good. Sugar for lunch.
Can't beat it.
This line of traffic is for Ben and Jerry's. We're gonna skip today.
Yeah, I've had it before. Parking lot full.
No RVs, no buses.
No thanks.
This is a very pretty campground. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, I've tried to start this video like 3 or 4 times, but every time I do I get interrupted because there are so many people here. I think this video is going to have to be like the truth about Stowe, the truth about Vermont in the fall. It is beautiful. We probably hit the prime viewing, leaf viewing a little late. This is October, what day is this? Oh wait, it's Sunday, October 12th, and we'll be here all week. There's already a lot of bare trees. We came obviously from Kansas, so when we got up through Ohio and then into Pennsylvania and New York, that was amazingly beautiful. So bright and vibrant, really, really pretty reds and yellows and oranges, and just so gorgeous. I hope it's still like that on our way home. But then once we got here, we started noticing that there's a lot of brown already, and just a lot of leaves have fallen, as I'll show you around our campground. It's just covered, which is also pretty, but not what we were hoping for. So if you really want to see Vermont in its prime, in the peak of autumn, I think you need to be here the end of September, early October. Like I said, it's the 12th and it's already a little bit too late. The other thing is that I didn't expect the crowds. I don't know what I was expecting. I did expect some crowds, but I didn't expect what we saw today. Again, it's a Sunday, so hopefully maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, it'll be a lot quieter. We should have known better than to go through town today. We should have just come straight to the campground and hung out here all day. But we were excited to go see Stowe, and anyway, we'll try again in a couple of days and hopefully there'll be less people. So we also want to go see Woodstock and a few other places. And Albert's cooking right now, where he's making tacos, I think, for dinner. Today the weather was just incredible. It was like, well, right now it says it's 60 and it is so beautiful. There's bright sun, blue sky. It was almost warm at 58, 60 degrees. So really perfect. So we are now at our campground, which is the Silver Lining. The campgrounds are always my favorite part. So I'm going to turn you around so you can see. This is the Waterbury Reservoir that this campground sits on. It's very quiet. It's a lot more remote than I thought it was going to be. I kind of pictured it being really close to town, but it's not at all. So you can see how many leaves have already fallen and are still falling. This is site number 3. at Little River State Park, and it is really beautiful. There's a beautiful view here. The site goes right up to this drop off, so I don't want to step too close. I'll slip and then end up way down there. So getting the grill ready to make our tacos. Got our fire going. Took the scooters up earlier to go check out the bathrooms and the showers. Bathrooms, not clean, not nice. But the shower was pretty clean. It's a pay shower. I think it's like $1.25 for 10 minutes or something. So that's worth it to not have to get the shower out and make a mess in the van. We could, and we do use our van shower, but it's just so much easier to not have to. Two giant tacos.